Hello children, today we are going to see the continuation of our third lesson. Now look at this picture. What is this children? Yes, vegetables. Today we are going to learn about vegetables. We all eat vegetables, isn't it? Yes. Now tell me children, why should we eat vegetables? Vegetables provide vitamins, minerals, fiber and many nutrients. They may also protect us from disease. They keep us healthy and strong. So children, we should eat all vegetables. Vegetables have different taste. Some vegetables looks smooth, rough, big, small, round, long and colorful. Now let's see few more vegetables. Onion, radish, garlic, brinjal, beetroot, ginger, lady's finger, potato, drumstick, chilli, cucumber, beans, cabbage, rich gourd, carrot, tomato, cauliflower, bitter gourd, snake gourd, turnip and many more. Some vegetables has different varieties. For example, brinjal. Thank you children.